Lesson 165, General Review. Find the perimeters and areas of the following polygons. Use the correct formula each time. And you have to remember to use your formulas. This is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, formula for the perimeter of a square, formula for the area of a rectangle, formula for the area of a square. Plug in your length and width, plug in your side, and then you should have gotten 144 feet for the perimeter, 1,152 square feet for the area of the rectangle, and 48 feet for the perimeter of the square, and 144 square feet for the area of the square. Write the correct temperature. Celsius, Fahrenheit, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Fill in the bars and labels on this bar graph. So it helps if you use a ruler to make your line straight. Divide and check. And there you go for divide. I didn't do the check. Solve these story problems. Nina bought a dress for $21.97, shoes for $12.63, and a stuffed dog for $8.11. How much change did she get from $50? Give the coins and bills she received as change. So first you need to add up what she spent and subtract it from what she had to start with. And I added up what she spent, and it was $40.71. I subtracted that from $50, and her change is $7.29, which in bills and coins is a $5 bill, two $1 bills, a quarter, and 4 pennies. Mr. Cappadocia jogs 3 miles each day of the week except Sunday. How many feet would he jog in 52 weeks? So Mr. Cappadocia jogs 3 miles a day times 6 days a week, because he doesn't jog on Sundays, times 52 weeks. And see, I can cancel out my units here because I have day in the numerator and day in the denominator. I have weeks in the numerator and weeks in the denominator and weeks in the numerator. So I'm left with miles. So I know that 3 times 6 is 18. 18 times 52 is 936 miles total. But now I need to change miles to feet because they want to know how many feet would he jog in 52 weeks. So I need to change 936 miles equals how many feet? Horse to fly multiply. And 936 times 5,280, because there are 5,280 feet in a mile, equals 4,942,080 feet. Solve these measurement problems. You don't have to do B. So I needed to change kilometers to meters, horse to fly multiply. There are 1,000 meters in a kilometer, so 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. 3,000 plus 60 is 3,060 meters. Follow the signs. So you should have gotten 236.0. Remember, you bring your decimal straight down. 678.9. I needed to find a common denominator, 14, and then equivalent fractions. 7 times 2 is 14, 6 times 2 is 12. Add straight down. Now I have an improper fraction, so I need to change that to a mixed number. Add my whole numbers, and I get 232 and 1/14. I needed to also find a common denominator here and equivalent fractions. 5 times 2 is 10, 3 times 2 is 6, and subtract straight down. I get 138 and 1/10, and you don't have to do the homework.